Hello graphic designer and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will design a fried chicken flyer by using Photoshop. So let's get started. For the first time we need to do is create a new document. So I go to file or you can control N to create a new document. For the top is the name of the file, so I put fried chicken. For the size I choose centimeters and width 21, height 21 and resolution 300 and I choose pixel per inch. And for this area and background I choose white and create. And now we have a new document. After that I want to add a gradient layer, so I go here and choose gradient. For style I change to radial and the color I choose basic. Yes, and you can choose by yourself what you want, and I just change a little bit, double click on it and you can change. I think this color is okay, I want it, and click OK and OK again. After that I want to import the flow to put under the main subject. So I go to file, I choose place embedded and I choose it. Next step I want to make it sharp with the background, so I mask it. Yes, by click here, mask, you can click here and I choose brush tool. I choose soft brown and the color, make sure it's black and opacity 100. Brush it a little bit. And for this area I want to put dark and red, so I create new layer and I use rectangle tool and change color to dark red. Click here to change color if you don't want. I mask it. And choose gradient tool here. Choose this one. I think it's okay, and I choose brush tool, soft brown again, black color, I think it's okay. I save it first. And now I want to add the main subject. So I go to File, choose Place Embedded, and import the main subject. You can download it on link in description. I want to change the color of it a little bit, so I go to Filter, I choose Camera Raw Filter. You can follow me. And click OK. And now I want to add shadow to our main subject. So I create a new layer, I drag it below main subject. And choose brush tool. I choose soft round and change direction. And choose black color. And minus the opacity a little bit. And change it to multiply. I think it's okay. The next step, I want to add some chili to this player. So I go to File, I choose Place Embedded, choose chili. Put it here. I want to make it motion blur, so I go to Filter, I choose Blur here, choose Motion Blur. Yes, and click OK. And the next step, I want to add the green chili. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Right click and choose Flip Horizontal. I want to make it blur as well. So I go to Filter, choose Blur and choose Motion Blur. It's okay. And I want to make it 2, so I Ctrl J to make a copy. And flip horizontal. I want to add red onion. drag to under the red chili. And I want to change color. Go to filter, camera raw filter. Yes, and click OK. And I want to make it blur as well, so I go to filter and choose blur and motion blur. Like this, and I want it to, I Ctrl J to make a copy and put here. I want to add something more. I go to File, choose Please Embed It, and click on it, and change it to Overlay. Yes, Overlay. Minus the opacity. I don't want to see it here, so I mask it. Mask. Choose brush tool, choose soft brown, the color, mask it black, and brush. And after that, I want to add text to this flyer. And I choose text tool. And I change color to yellow. And next step, I change font. Yes, I use this one, and I make it all capital letter. And I Ctrl J to make it a copy and drag it down and put another text. I change color to white. And I want to put save this place. Yes, I use pen tool. I change it to save. And for the color, I want white. I want it to, and Ctrl J to make copy, and Ctrl T and choose vertical. And I change color to yellow, and I select both of it and link it, and Ctrl J to make copy and drag to another side. Ctrl T, choose flip horizontal. And the next step is I want to add price. I use ellipse tool. Fill I choose 0, and for the stroke 5. And Ctrl J to make copy. And I go to file, I choose place embedded, choose it, and I minus the opacity. And I put the price, I put $10. It is just my example, so you can put the real one. And I change color it to white. And I make group by select it all and Ctrl G and scale it to small little bit. And I think I add text, change color to yellow. The next step is I add the contact to this plier. I put it here, and I want to add social media. And I want to add letter. And I think it's okay, and thank you for watching, and don't forget click like and subscribe my channel to get more tutorial.